So we will see if we're going live in the next seconds. We need to go live in the next seconds, I suppose so. Let me see. Actually,
Yeah.
ladies and gentlemen, we are live, and today we have the third episode of Crypto Friday. Thanks for taking your time today, because we have one special guest today, and it's the special guest Jorge Ramirez from the Polis Pay team or Polis team. And we have on my left side, on my right side, I don't know, Andreas Meyer from the Masternodes Pro team. Thanks for taking your precious time, Jorge. And on the right side of your screen, or I hope so, it's here, there's a chat box. Type in your questions, and because Pegasus Polis or Jorge Ramirez is taking his precious time to answer all your questions, because we have some big news. What are upcoming from Polis. We are speaking as well about Stakenet, Divi, AllQ, the comeback of AllQ. We have Telos coin, we have Blocknet, we have some big and huge Masternode coins over here. First of all, Jorge, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thank you. And how about you and Andreas?
Very nice. Yeah, we're doing really good. We're really happy that you're taking your precious time over here. And Andreas, how is it going?
Yeah, long day already. So we are off the German stream with the ALCO team. Now we expect some great news also from behind the scenes from Polis. So we are really proud that you are here. And we decide we start with the interview and with a couple of questions also from the community. And after this, we go over the weekly news from the Masternode space. So maybe for me, the question was before when we talk all three together, what are you doing in the Polis team? There are so many guys. So you have all great names, but let us know what you are doing.
Yeah, the team, we're currently working on the preliminary version of the Polis Pay app, like the version 7.3.0. And we've shared some information about that, but later we will continue sharing more. This mainly includes UX improvements, such as improvements for the voucher stability and the handling, the stability and the handling of the vouchers. It adds a blockbook backend for supported coins and fixes some UX elements, and such as a TX history and some details about the QR scanner issues for mobile. Also, inside some of the UX improvements in other areas, the blockbook backend will make the app like 800 times better or faster and more stable. So that's something we're really working hard on. And also, we're really looking forward to making that transition to a better service. So we will not have the Electrum is syncing message that sometimes appeared. Also on the backend side, we're working on a new environment. We have spoken about the architecture of the backend and microservice system. We're working on we have Obol, that is for rates, Hestia for the database, Bluetooth is for hot wallets, and Taiki is for Polis Pay Shift. That's very important. We're missing the Adrestia, that is mainly for exchanges, but we're working on developing those. We haven't finished the system yet, but the UX will give us better and improved quality, Also, we're working on migrating the service, the rates from Caronte to Obol on the app. So that will decrease load times, as I explained before for the and basically that's a lot of the stuff that we're working on the Polis Pay and the Polis team.
That's a lot of stuff behind the scenes that you're working hard. I'm actually in contact with Eros and with you actually, and with Enrique a lot, and there's a lot behind the scenes. And
Yeah.
I have a couple questions for you, Jorge, because my team, my community, always asking me, "Hey, Manuele, can you ask the team what they are doing behind the scenes?" And the first question is, how's the development going so far? Are you satisfied, or do you think, hey, we need to improve more things, or how's the development going so far?
Well, I think like me being inside the team and stuff, every day I see me and the team working really hard and looking for better ways. We're very comfortable with what we're doing right now. We're we have a great vision of what we're doing.
Yeah.
Uh, like all of these changes are mostly improved. Well, are completely improvements, and we see like a great future for what we're doing. Like not for a couple of months, but for a lot of time. You know.
Yeah, you're actually building a nice ecosystem.
Exactly.
What we're speaking in the next minutes as well, because I've wrote with Hans. Hans is here actually.
Okay.
Hans, by the way, thanks for the information what you provide me. And actually, we are going to show this with the screen sharing.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, what Hans wrote me, and really important things what are coming in the next months.
Mm-hmm.
So the next question, Jorge, is what about the debit cards? I mean, a lot of people they are waiting for say, hey, when are coming the debit cards for Polis? Do you know more about this topic?
Yeah. Well, we have the Union Pay deal. We're working with Union Pay for the cards. At the moment, we have a bit of a bottleneck because we're waiting for them to give us their API. But the idea is like as soon as they give us the API, we're the focus of the team will mainly be on developing the app, the cards, because that's a great
Yeah.
yeah, it's big. So we're just waiting for them to give us the API, and we're
So
expecting maybe for Q4 of this year, maybe a beta, or maybe at the beginning of Q1 of 2020.
it will be a nice Christmas present for a lot of people if they have the possibility and opportunity to buy a Polis Pay debit card. So we will see. Hopefully, you get this done.
Uh-huh.
In poor words, so if Union Pay says, hey, we have the APIs ready, you can connect this. So the first 500 people, 500 beta test users are going to receive the cards, and what's then? What's after that? So
Well,
first the first 500 are getting the cards, right?
uh, I'll have to check on the quantity, but yeah, the idea is like to work like have the first cards like beta testing to see how they're working, if everything is good, and we're really planning on maybe like in not very much time, like to expand our capabilities for many countries. Looking for better deal to be worldwide, to be accepted worldwide, and
Yeah, that's
yeah, the
really
idea is
important.
like
Yeah.
to start small with with a lot of trial and error, you know, to make it really
Yeah, sure. And then scale, right?
yeah,
You need to start first with the smaller steps.
yeah.
Yeah. It's an interesting part over there. And what's well, the next question is how much does Polis want to expand? I mean, it's like 2020, 2021. So what are the future plans? I mean, how much do you think will grow the network, like 10,000 people, 100,000 people? Can you go viral or not? It's like, what do you have in your mind? What's the vision of your team, and from Enrique, from Eros, and all the other team members?
Yeah, that's like one of our main goals, or big part of our vision is to have Polis be used worldwide massively, because we're trusting a lot of our network, of our of the people and connections that we have. We're working on like the Police Pay app, the cards. We're working on the vouchers that will have like a great opportunity to give use cases to police. So
Yeah.
something that we were developing and working really hard. I mean, in the office, I hear a lot of work and development of the vouchers. You will be crazy, like how much of that development all day, every day. But that's
I believe so.
and we're working on like to be the best trustless system, and have more countries, and maybe for merchants to also use our service, in a bigger way.
Yeah, this makes sense. I mean, 4 or 5 years ago, Dash was a little mouse, and then you see how big Dash is becoming after a few years. So Polis has maybe I'm calling Polis the small brother of Dash. I mean, if you put in the effort and the work, maybe you can be 10% of Dash, but this will be enough for now, I would say. Yeah, we will see. Enough jokes now. The next point is about the Polis Pay merchant app. So you actually are focusing as well to expand with merchants, because a lot of people in Latin America, they say, hey, I want to accept Polis in my merchant store and something like this. How far is the development now went?
Well, the merchant app for Polis is actually being developed by one of our fellow community members called Hans.
Hans is there over here.
Yeah.
Nice.
Hello, Hans. Yeah, he's developing the app. We're not directly involved with the development, but we're getting like constant developments and updates about how the app is going, and we're having really good results, and we're really looking forward to that.
Do you think that I mean, the merchant app will be ready in a few weeks or in a few months? What's the time frame over there?
I think that may be up to Hans to decide, but I can see it can be really close. I mean, we work. Yeah.
Yeah, as soon as I've wrote with Hans, as soon as everything is finished, as soon as everything is implemented, I mean, Hans, we will do a live stream together. Then you can, for sure, explain what's behind the scenes and explain the site and how to use everything. It's just like a beta test for now. Exactly. Oh, we'll see. Okay. The questions are done for now. First of all, thanks, Jorge, that you took your time to come over here and to be present. Guys, I mean, if you have any questions, Jorge is here and he will answer all your questions. I mean, he's taking his precious time, and we will not have the whole days left. So take now your time, type in your comment, and smash the like button, because Jorge was here, Jorge is here, and clap your hands for him as well. I mean, if you have no questions so far, well, we will go ahead with the next, with the next informations about Stakenet, Divi, Telos, Blocknet, Bitcou, and so on.
Yeah, but I have a question more. So if it's allowed to ask, so
to speak,
you told us before that in a couple of days you have your first birthday in the Polis team. So what is your wish for the next year of Polis? So for Polis, so where you dream about, what is the future in the next year?
Well,
whoa. Sorry for this question. It's your birthday.
No, I mean, I've seen Polis evolve a lot since I've started. I mean, when I started, Polis was already like being something, like working up to being big. So I've seen Polis go through a lot, through many things that some
ups and downs. So you get everything.
Yeah, but something that I really admire and appreciate about the Polis team and the Polis community and everyone is to keep like the efforts up, the hopes up, the everything. Like we like to look forward to a better future by working really hard and being connected. Like it's not for nothing that the phrase is empowering people. it's not like all, like some people, like everyone, even us, the team, we're working like a community to build something big. It doesn't have to be like better than something like specifically, but it has to be like big and better for the people, for the community, and expand. And yeah,
Yeah,
basically.
you're building actually really something solid, you know. It takes time. You cannot build something huge in a few months, so it takes time. But you're doing a great job. Hans is doing a great job. Enrique and you and all the whole team. We will support you for sure. We are always here. Andreas is here. Myself is here. We have a lot of clients over here in Germany. So we are the biggest network, by the way. Germany is the biggest network. Europe is the biggest network for Polis. So actually, we are going to build up more and more, and more information will follow in the next streams. So, Jorge, if you have something more to add, let us know. And if not, we go ahead with the stream because we have a lot of things to say today. So,
so
yeah.
Just a few words. I really
Yeah,
appreciate your time. I really appreciate the space you give us to speak more about Polis and our development, and really appreciate the support, and like best wishes for everyone.
yeah.
So we will push the team to communicate, to be in streams, because I see the huge community, and the Polish community is really happy to know and to see the peoples behind the project. That's now in this time really important. Also, we go to the Christmas time, a lot of development. They want to see you. They want to see the faces. And we will write you again, a couple of team members of you, to join our stream. So, and all the best for the office, all the best for you, your first birthday on Polis. And good luck with all the development stuff you have on the table. And hopefully we'll see soon the new website. I read about this.
I hope you will love it.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
All right, Jorge, if you want to stay here, it's okay. And well, we move. Yeah, we go ahead with the next informations what Hans gave me, and then we will move to the next news.
So
you say bye. Okay, so hasta luego, señor.
See the stream, so don't worry.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Jorge, thanks a lot.
Bye-bye.
I appreciate your time. We see you in the next stream, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect. Yeah. Bye bye.
Ciao.
Bye. Thank you. Bye. So, ladies and gentlemen, sure, we will move forward because Hans wrote me just like a letter, not a love letter, but he wrote me a letter about the Polis updates. So I will share my screen actually, and we will see what's upcoming now. Right? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, perfectly. So the Polis news, we start on the left side over here. Actually, the possibility or the probability is really high that a bit green. Maybe the Masternode coin will be listed on the Polis Pay app. I actually connected both Jason and Enrique. We will see if everything, is going smooth. Maybe bit green. We will see bit green on the Polis Pay app. We'll see actually two screenshots here in the Polis acceptance channel that are showing a sneak peek about the point of sale tool. Right, and Hans wrote me here that merchants connect their extended public key to the point of sale back office. Actually, you see here the two pictures, either by requesting it with a simple button click from a tracer or by pasting the Polis XPub key from their Polis Pay wallet. Okay, and then on the right side, he wrote me they can set up as many terminals as they need. I can be in a different currency as well. I mean, if you want to. The Canadian dollar, like US dollar, and so on and so forth. And we see here every person in the physical store, or for instance, waiter in a restaurant can use a terminal on any device, tablet, phone, or whatever you have to generate invoices to be paid in Polis, calculated from the currency the terminal is set for. So it's really interesting for that. Actually, you have a QR code, you scan this, and you can pay with. What's next? The Polis Pay wallet, you can pay the invoices. I say this so far, and shows the right amount pending and confirmed, so the merchant knows if the bill is paid or not, right? Yeah, actually the funds are safely received in a merchant Polis Pay wallet or Trezor, which could be in a remote place. So there are no risks, and yeah, the funds cannot run away. The terminals can only receive and not send. It's really, really important about that. And it's all fully non-custodial. So the merchant is the only one that has access to their own funds and keys. Okay. For online stores, we've developed plugins for popular platforms like WooCommerce, Magento, and so far and so forth. And the merchant connects the plugin and can start charging Polis on their side. Same easy concept. So yeah, once the shift function is stable, the merchant can choose to have the point of sale convert the received coins automatically in fiat via connection to the API at changes, or yeah, I mean, because the most of the merchants say, hey, I don't want to have like Polis, or I don't want to accept Ccoin or just like this because they are too volatile. And yeah, actually there's the possibility to convert automatically in fiat, so US dollar, Canadian dollar, etc., to have stable coins, right? So this was actually pretty much it for the Polis news. Let me go back. Okay, so actually we have the next, yeah, the next one. What do we have, Andreas?
Yeah, basically, I want to say something about the development, what Hans did. So I believe that for the mass adoption in the world, for websites and also for grocery stores or merchants in the offline world, that's really important what he built there. So maybe some people didn't see the potential of such a kind of tool, but you see what Dash did in Venezuela, for example. We have a couple of markets around the world that go in the same situation. We have the same situation in Iran.
Nigeria, for example, in
a lot
Africa,
of people,
it's really, really hard over there.
A lot of people start also talking about that something like this can happen in Europe again. So the German governments put also some warnings outside that the economy is, two decades minus in growing of the economy. And that's really important. So I believe when this is finished, and it's also the exchange opportunity is fast for a merchant, so that he say, okay, I accept crypto, but I have really nothing to do with it because I didn't know where I store my keys, where are the address and all the stuff. So you have a terminal or you have an application on your phone, and then you receive fiat in your bank account or PayPal or whatever is connected to an exchange. Great opportunity, great tool also for Polis, and a huge market adoption with all the coins in the swap system.
Yeah,
So
you can see.
great work.
I mean, Dash is doing a great job actually. If Polis is doing the same thing, I mean, they can be a 10% of Dash, I suppose, in the next month, so maybe next year. So we will see. I wish Polis the best for. Andreas, do you want to say to add more things about Polis or Polis news? If not, we go.
Yeah,
ahead.
so I can do a little bit tiny marketing in my for myself. So today we, as a company who is behind the Polis Pay app, we create a proposal. So everybody who's interested in the voucher stuff and want to support us, there's a channel in the Discord on Polis Pay Discord. So we are communicating there and try to move faster. So we still develop a lot of stuff with the vouchers, and we are working really hard to get international vouchers. But as we see, so our major market is Germany, Austria, Switzerland. And now I'm in calls every day because of the time difference to connect new solutions to the Polis Pay app. Everybody wants vouchers in Russia, in China, in Mexico, in US. Everybody wants vouchers, but it's impossible to handle all the stuff. So we take it step by step.
Step by step, right?
Yeah. We want to put more power in this because I also believe this is a great solution for the adoption of the Polis Pay app worldwide. We have the major focus now on Canada, US, Mexico, and Russia on these markets. And news are following soon. There are coming new and more vouchers in it. So the Excel sheet, what is available, is too long to talk about this right now.
Yeah, but we will do a separate stream, right? About
yeah,
Bitcou
we can do it. So,
and
but
about the Polis Pay app and something like this.
So there's a proposal open. So I'm MNP Saido. I work for this company also. So if there are some questions, let me know. So then we go forward. On the Latin American market, we have bad news on a Discord server. So we had there was
a huge hack, right?
Yeah, it's not a hack. It's a bastard. So there was a server, POS Latin America. This was a staking server and rain server, and with Masternodes and all the stuff, shared Masternode service. So the owner is not there anymore. All the coins are running away. So are not there. So he closed it and steal all the funds. So again, not your keys, not your coins. Please be careful with any currency you have. Store it in your own wallet. Keep it safe. Decrypt it. All the stuff. Own wallet,
really
own coins. So this is some news also for shared Masternode service. Host your own Masternode. So then, we have the news about Stakenet. There was some.
Sure. I will share my screen
news.
actually. I will share my screen actually. By the way, because we have really nice informations about Stakenet, because Stakenet is actually launching his Stakenet multi-currency wallet with many features implemented like Masternodes, like network, Tor, DApps, DEX, like decentralized exchange, by the way. A lot of people, they say, hey, because maybe you're in the Masternode space and you open your wallet after 7 days or 14 days, and actually it takes a long time, to synchronize and all that stuff. And what actually Stakenet is doing is they have their Masternode, the Masternode network directly connected with the wallet. So actually it's fully synchronized. Even if you start a wallet, it's directly fully synchronized, and it takes less, less, how to say this, less space, and it requires less space because, for example, you see a Bitcoin Core wallet is taking actually 200 gigabytes. So it's crazy. Like a Polis wallet, I don't know, maybe 2 gigabytes or something like this, but it's crazy. That's why they created this. And the multi-currency wallet is nice. I like this a lot. Stakenet is doing, in my opinion, a really good job. They have a good development team. The only thing is that Stakenet is actually going down with the price, but we will analyze this in the next minute. So actually, they have let's move forward. What they have: the iOS and Android wallet, and let's move forward with the Lightning swaps. And this is actually really interesting, because the first one is they have the one-click Lightning swaps. And what is an atomic swap? First of all, it's on-chain, so you have the possibility to change or to swap your coins. Like you have, for example, Litecoin, and you want to have like Ccoin, for example, and you need to change it. And normally it takes a third trusted party, right? With atomic swaps, you don't need it, so it's going nearly instantly. So, but with the Lightning swaps, it's going instantly with an off-chain. So it's an instant transaction and potentially feeless and infinitely scalable. It's like something that's really nice. I don't know, maybe Andreas, you know more about this. Did you try it once?
No, so I know that I didn't want to say anything wrong, but it's really similar also from the behavior, like the block DEX is working for Blocknet.
Yeah.
So actually, when you trade on a normal exchange or DEX, for example, Crypto Bridge or something like this, you will have to send your coins and you trade there, but you are not anymore the owner because the coins are on Crypto Bridge. So the system, what they are building is that you connect your desktop wallet, your core wallet directly with an application, and it goes instant. So from your wallet to a wallet. So you don't have to trust third parties anymore.
Right.
And for me, this is the solution for the future. So I'm really interested in both of the projects like Stakenet and Blocknet. We also talk about Blocknet later. They creating the future exchanges here, and I hope that they survive and Binance.
Yeah, and really important is that the Lightning swaps, they are instantly converted the assets within the wallet. So the coins don't need to leave the wallet. So actually, by the way, for retailers or for merchants, for example, if they say, hey, I want to accept only USDT. So because there's high volatility out there with the coins, and for example, you buy something for $10, right? And you have Litecoins. So actually you pay Litecoins, but the retailer or merchant is receiving USDT. So actually it's a stable coin. He's receiving $10, right? And tomorrow it will be like worth $10, because if he accepts Litecoin, maybe today's $10 and tomorrow it's like $9 worth. So actually a lot of merchants are saying no, because cryptocurrencies are high volatile, and they say, okay, well, they Stakenet did this for the bigger adoption. It's a big solution out there. I like this a lot, and actually we see here the new wallet, what they actually created. And let's move forward. We have the privacy through Tor. It's like the onion router, and the Stakenet multi-currency wallet provides this as a users for native Tor support as a privacy option. So for people that want to be on the internet private, like it's a solution over there,
it's also like unstoppable.
So right, you cannot stop it. Yeah, sure. If you guys have any questions, let us know. And now we move forward with the DEX. Maybe you have some things to say, Andres, because actually, there's not a huge competition, but actually we have the Binance DEX, we have the Block DEX, and now it's coming the DEX from
so as we
Stakenet.
see before, as we talked about this before, we have something like, for example, like Ascodex. It is decentralized, but we had before, I think about 1.5 years, a week ago, we have the nodes are down.
From CryptoBridge, right?
Not from CryptoBridge, I forget the name, but CryptoBridge.
GraviX.
No.
What do you mean?
The system behind, I forget the word.
From BitShares.
Yes, so the BitShare nodes went offline for some reasons. Ascodex went down, CryptoBridge stopped trading, was not available. Stuff like this is not really decentralized. So they use a DEX server, decentralized on the Tor network. So hopefully they create this as an unstoppable service, and then it runs. And if it's possible there to trade pairs overall, so for example, Dash, Polis, whatever, against all the currency they are listed, so that you can make cross trading and all the stuff with limited fees. Sweet.
Yeah, and what Stakenet wants to do is like the Lightning DEX, because it's not a true DEX, what they say. It's like hosted entirely on the Masternode network. So actually the order books are connected automatically with the wallet. So it's actually like Blocknet, the same things. And the advantages are that the coins do not leave the wallet unless the transaction is complete. So actually, if you have coins in your wallet, it will stake as well with the multi-currency wallet is an advantage as well. And you don't need a central authority not to verify you with KYC and all that stuff. And the next advantage is like Masternode owners will be able to use their nodes to generate additional fees, like for themselves, by providing services such as routing, Lightning payments, hosting DApps, and many things more. So this is actually pretty much it for Blocknet. They have a really dedicated team. I mean, they went down with the price. I mean, they have so much things going on. But what do you think, Andreas, about the Stakenet price and why it's going down when they do so much things behind the scenes and so much things?
This is always like this. So the most of the people, they only look at the return of invest and the money what they can earn, and didn't see the team behind what they are doing. They rip their ass off, and they have to answer questions like what you are doing with the price. So most of the development teams, they work really hard. They're creating new stuff. They cannot even talk about anything what they are developing because they have no time frames. Everybody wants to know, when this happened, when is this there, when is this there, when you are this and this and this and this. but we didn't work here in a grocery store, and we can call the supplier, hey, when you have the bananas in stock. So it is development here. There are always some stuff is happen. So some API calls are not working, or you have problems with the servers. It's all technical stuff. It can happen. And ask the guys from Amazon who are working there how many developers and how long they need to develop all this stuff behind, and they still working on it. So I hope that the teams are survive, like teams like Stakenet. The prices went down, but when you have a strong development team and they believe in their way where they want to be in 1 year or in 2 years, and have the target, and don't talk with the people they only want to earn money and do nothing for the community. Let them go and stick to your plans and to your roadmap. Yeah, that's the only thing what I can say. Yeah. So
yeah, sure. But dedicated team, good Masternode actually. By the way, they have a great community, great development. We will see what's happening in the next months for Stakenet. For sure, they have a bright future for the decentralized exchange, Lightning payments and stuff like this. Multi-currency wallet actually. We will see. Stakenet is an interesting project, and maybe we will have an interview with the CEO or one of the community manager. We will see. You can contact us if you actually hear us. Okay, let's move forward with the next update.
Yeah,
I don't know what's happening with Divi, right?
Yeah, it's not an update. Yeah, it is an update. It's a big news for Divi. For all the people, they like Divi and they want to see more about Divi. Next week on Friday, same time here in the stream, we talk to Nick. He's the CIO of Divi, so he's joining our stream, and we have an interview with him. If you have questions, let us know or join the stream next week. So they have an announcement about Redivi. So this is really interesting for the market. So basically, all this happens in Costa Rica right now. So they before 2 years, they create a company here, or two guys create a company. It's a payment solution company in Costa Rica. They have right now over 10,000 clients there, and Divi is joining this. So they create something like crypto bank accounts and instant swap system with Divi, where you can transfer over mobile applications, so over SMS, you can send funds. This, yeah, is for Divi a huge step, and we see this all information in the news, also on the price movement.
Yeah, we saw Divi is one of a few Masternodes that actually, overperformed the Bitcoin, because the smallest Masternode was costing like $500. Now it's costing more than $1,500. It went up to $1,800. It just Divi had a good price movement. And maybe you can say us more about that, because we see actually here the picture. Here's the one of the founder over here.
Mm-hmm. And so, yes, so that's the reason we have an interview next week also with Nick. And I try to get in contact with these guys in Costa Rica also to see if all the news, where they're coming from, what they are doing. They also create something like a crypto area where they have cabinas to live, and you can pay in crypto, you pay yoga in crypto, and planning a restaurant and all the stuff. So they firing out in the last couple of weeks big news, what all they want to do. So, and if it's going on in Costa Rica, I take a serious look deeper inside and try to get some more interviews about this. Yeah, so exciting news of Divi, but they want to do a lot of stuff. We will see.
Like debit cards, we see actually here. Yeah. What features will the spring, like debit cards? What more? They want to do a lot of stuff.
The one-click thing. And if you use Divi, you get some discounts. And US dollar euro pairs. They have a huge plan. And so the company is legit. So they are in Costa Rica since 2 years. And Divi is now part of it.
They have their own banks, right? I mean, they have their own bank in Costa Rica.
Yeah, it's something like a payment. Yeah, it's something like a payment provider, and they work with Western Union, so they can transfer and wire money around the world, but they have lower fees, and over 10,000 people are already using it. So it's not an idea.
Not a small number, right?
Yeah. So let's see. We look forward. But we have the next news. So you want to say something about Telos?
Yeah, for sure. Telos has news. Actually, I need to see over here, right? Yeah, for the Telos community, there are really good news. They brought out the new Android and iOS wallet. Actually, what's transcendence? Like it combines an open source decentralized blockchain with existing services. Like they have AmiCloud and Indigo. There are actually like pages where you can, buy things for gaming, etc., etc. And really important things is as well, their long-term plan, it's actually written here on Masternode.buzz, is to move the cloud storage and cloud computing aspects of the closed source software to the open source blockchain. So actually we see that they brought out as well the piggy bank 2.0. Actually, I will have an interview with Pascal on Tuesday in German, but maybe we will do this in English as well, because the piggy bank is really interesting because you can stake your coins while your wallet is closed. These were the words for or from Pascal, actually, with a special operating system, always online and connected to the network. So actually, Telos is a 5-tiers model because the community decided to have a 5-tiered Masternode system. And actually, Telos can be traded on the Birec platform and the Birec exchange platform. If you guys are interested, go to the Birec platform and exchange your Telos coins over there. I think this is pretty much it. More infos will follow in the next,
it is a pig.
Hours. Yeah, it is a pig. They're actually official partners with Crypto Masters, and you can see this here on Twitter. And if you have some questions over there, I will provide you the link first of all. Let's see here.
So that's it. So then some tiny news from Blocknet. If you have a Blocknet, they create a hard fork on the 23rd of September. What's time? Yeah, they have a hard fork. They update the wallet to 3.14.0. So there's an update. If you have Blocknet in your wallet, please update to stay on the right chain. 23rd of September, it's the latest day you have to update your wallet. Then they do some tiny updates on the block DEX too. So update on the 1.4.0, the release of the new decentralized application, trading application, like we talked about before, Stakenet. That's basically the news also from Blocknet. Please update the wallet. Then we have Dash. Dash brings yesterday in the evening, there comes the news out that Dash is now listed also on
here we see
Coinbase
I've
Pro.
shared actually my screen with IQ Cash Now.
First the Coinbase Pro news. So this was yesterday in the evening that Dash is now listed on Coinbase Pro, and in the future they expect also the listing on Coinbase. We see the price movement today from Dash. Maybe some people gets really excited. The cooperation with Coinbase. It was a really long way for Dash to reach Coinbase somehow. And then you have the adoption with IQ Cash Now.
It's actually a cryptocurrency platform, right? With access to 1,000 merchants across several countries, and
they have ATMs.
Really and ATMs as well. That you have the possibility to spend Dash at 250 ATMs. Like it's crazy what Dash is implementing actually now in Colombia, in Venezuela, in Latin America, because you see actually they have Latin America, Africa has huge problems with inflations. So we will see maybe more merchants accepting Dash and accepting having ATMs over there that are cashing out Dash. But we will see. It's getting quite interesting over there. What do you see the future of Dash, Andreas? Do you think Dash will expand a lot, or what do you think?
It's really hard to say. So Dash is for me right now the best solution to get fast payments. So Lightning is almost not working for everybody. And Dash is doing a great progress at all. It's our Masternode our leading
the
Masternode
father
coin.
of the Masternode.
Yeah, I don't know if it's a father. So then we talk about Star Trek or Star Wars. So, but Dash doing a great job. I hope that they can continue the hard work, and also we see sometime in the next year, maybe, or also this year, a price movement from Dash. But you see the volume and the transactions, what they are doing, they are growing day by day. And it's the same like everywhere. They work hard and great decentralized system.
Yeah, interesting. So
that's for now, I would say, for today.
Yeah, we have actually interesting news from Alku because they had a huge comeback. I mean, it's something that no one expected. Maybe a few guys expected over there. Alku is actually, I mean, a community-driven coin actually, and focusing on this Bitcoin exchange is like not a decentralized exchange. They are actually working on a normal exchange. Their headquarters was last month in Switzerland, but they moved to Germany because one of the founders in Germany. We had in the last 2 hours an interview with Kevin, but we will for sure make an interview or schedule an interview in English. And actually, the upcoming events from Alco are actually the live streams. They're going live a couple of times now in the next days. They got I mean, Alco had a just like a huge pump, like 1,000% in the last couple of days. It's just crazy because they got a I don't know how to say it. It's like $1 million from an institutional investor from Bitfinon, because they had huge problems with liquidity. Actually, they got $1 million to increase marketing stuff and something like this. And what else? They will having a new code base. Code name is Polaris, and a new wallet. So stay tuned about that. And I mean, this is actually pretty much it. They will have a new branding, new refresh, what we see here on Masters of Nodes. I will provide you the link so you can actually see what's happening here on Alcu. The Masternode is costing actually over $650, right, Andreas? From $90, $80 to $650, it's like just crazy. I mean, nobody expected that.
Yeah, it's crazy, but they are dead before. So they are back. Let's see the progress. They are doing a lot of stuff now in Germany with the exchange. Yeah. We take an eye on them. We are in contact with them, and maybe we do also an English stream in the future. So all the information was in German, but they start live streaming next week. Yeah, in the middle of next week from the office in Heidelberg from Germany. So if you want to have all information about Alco, join their Discord and get the link to the live streams.
Yeah, sure.
That's it for the week, I would say. We are done. Next week, we have confirmed in the English stream the Divi.
Really important. We are doing actually a double stream every week, just in German. It's just like 7 p.m. The German stream and 9 p.m. UTC, the English stream. So actually, push up there the subscribe button, activate the bell. It's really important, and share this video because a lot of people need to see that. Because next week we have Nick Sapronaro from the Divi team. We will see which guy we will have in the German stream. But stay tuned about that. Under this video, you will find the link from our Telegram group. Really important. There are some people in there like CEOs, developers, and so on and so forth. Just join our Telegram group, by the way, right? Smash the like button. Thanks for Andreas. First of all, thanks for Jorge that he was here in his live stream. And for sure, we are able to speak German, right? We are bilingual. I mean,
you are a little bit late. Die neue Zukunft. So we have the stream before in German. So now it's an English stream. So all your questions you can ask maybe next week or under this video. So we will answer you in German, no problem.
Yeah, sure. By the way, thanks for watching this video. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell. And we will see us in the next week, 20th of September 2019, 7 p.m. German stream, 9 p.m. UTC English stream with the Divi team. That's it.
Okay.
That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching this live stream. Melchionda Network here and Andreas from the Master.
Have a nice weekend.
Have a nice weekend. Yes. We'll see you in the next video.
Ciao.
Bye. Bye.